When you see the house down there, this one is mean homestay, Kamu homestay. So after you see the view, photo the view, you can walk past like farm of spring onion. So local people here they grow onion. Yeah, you can see, and they come here every day. So I mean they lie, so very hard, but they can they can stay. It's fine. So they lie. That's what is spring onion. Yeah. So how to grow spring onion here? You can see here. No water here. No chemistry. Yeah, so everything is from natural. Yeah, make green onion they grow. I want to say like organic farm here.